Al-Khair Foundation's ethical livestock farms in Africa enable us to rear and care for our own animals throughout the year, ensuring that they are healthy, well-fed, and suitable for the annual sacrifice. Our Qurbani farms in Africa have the capacity to serve multiple countries throughout the region, including Somaliland, Kenya, Sudan, and Ethiopia. Farmers care for livestock which are indigenous to the region, such as camels, cows, goats, and sheep, with veterinarians always on hand ensuring that each of the animals are healthy and safe. We are rewarded for each hair of each animal we make the intention for, so this year why not gain extra rewards by contributing towards a large animal, such as a camel, which will go a long way towards providing meat to families in drought-affected Africa. Large animals contribute 7 shares of meat, so they will complete the Qurbani of 7 contributors. A single share in a camel costs £75 and completes one person's yearly Islamic duty. A whole camel will cost £525 and will complete 7 people's yearly Islamic obligation. We will distribute this blessed camel meat to some of the most in-need communities in East Africa, those who are suffering from the aftermath of one of the most significant droughts in recent history. Bring smiles and change lives this Eid al Adha by calling now on 03000 999 786 or process yours online at alkhair.org.